By the way, I'll begin to illustrate in this video the counting sort. How does it work? So as what I mentioned to you in on the previous discussion, that we'll begin to first determine the range. So for the range, you have to check right there what will be the maximum value, then what will be the minimum value. Um, so for the maximum value right now, by checking in this, suppose that we have 5, 1, 6, 8, 1, 4, 5. So the maximum value right there will be 8. Then the minimum value will be 1. So that is basically what is how you will begin to identify the that particular step right now. So the second step, as what I've mentioned, as what we've mentioned into your discussion previously, that after you will be going to determine the range, you have to create the counting sort already. So how you will begin to create the counting sort is it is basically easy for you to manage in that one. So for this one, let me just go ahead and illustrate it carefully so that you will be going to understand it well. So for this right now, for creating a count array, it will be something like this. So let me just actually grab a table instead. So since we're giving 0 to 8, so it will be no, no, 1 to 8, so it will be 0 to 8 as well, that we'll begin to deal with, since we'll begin to also put the 0 index. So 0 to 8, it will become 9. Okay, so we just remove that first. Suppose that, I'm so sorry, what happened? Let me just, okay, tanggal lang. Okay, create a count array. So we're creating a count array. Let me just insert a table instead, so that it will be easily, so that you can easily understand everything, because it will be better. So then it will be like that. So this is the indexing here, thing like that. Okay, so that is your suppose that that is your counting sort count array right now. Just fix my light, because here it is somewhat dim already. And there you have it. Now afterwards, you have to, after creating the count array, you have to basically populate the count array. So in this populate the count array, what you will need to do is definitely iterate through the input array and increment the count of each increment in the count array. So say for example here, I'm sorry, populate count array. Say for example, let me just go ahead as well and create a layout for the table so that it will be basically easy for you to manage. So we can somewhat 10 and how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Again, 8. Okay, something like that. Now this will be your input here. This will be your input. So what will be the input? That will be 5, 1, 6, 8, 1, 4, and 5. No, no, no. 4 and 5. 5, 1, 6, 8, 1, 4, 5. So that will be the basis right there. And this will be here, the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be your index right now, since your array is from 0 to 8, right? Now, what you will need to do, 5, you will count the 5 actually. So how many 5 are there in your this is the 5 is only 1, so it will be something like that. Now the rest will become 0, since we're dealing with a 5. Now 1 will become 1 as well. So you have to count it. No, no, no. keep on updating. So for this one right now here, for the 6, that will become 1 as well. No, it will become 1 still. 6 will be 1, then 0, 0. Then for 8 will become 1. So keep on updating everything. So 8 will become 1. So 1 will become adding 1. So it will become 2. So next, from 1, 1, 0, and 1. Afterwards, this will be the input of 4. So 4 will become 1 as well. 1, 1, 0, and then your 5 will become 2, 0, 0, 1. 5 will become 2. Then 1, 0, and 1. So this will be your populate, this will be how this work in your populating the count array. Now for the number 4, you will be going to go ahead and compute the cumulative count. So how you will be going to illustrate that here? So I'll be going to also create a table as well. For this kind of thing, I will be we'll be going to base here, then this one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there will be 9 table that I can make right now. So let me create a table for that, 9 table. And let me just put something here. So 9 over 8 now, then. So we'll just copy 0, then 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, and 1. So how to compute here then? So you will need to compute that based on this here. So we're going to just color the calculation 0 plus 2, it will become 2. So this will become 0 here, same thing. And 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. Then next will be, we'll begin to calculate both of them. So 2 plus 1, 2 plus 0, it will become, so 0, 2, then it will be 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, and 1. Now you will need to add them as well. Both 2 plus 0, it will become 0, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, and 1. So right now, since we're done with that, we'll also add this. It will become 0, 2, 2, 2. Then it will become 2 plus 1, 3. Then 2, and 1, 0, and 1. So afterwards, we'll also add here that basically. So it will become 0, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3 plus 2, it will become 5. Then 1, 0, then 1. So for this one right now, you will begin to add that here then. Become 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Then 5 plus 1 equals 6. Then 0, then 1. So next will be here. Begin to compute that as well. I'll become 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Then 6 plus 0, 6. Then 1. So adding will just a minute. Let me just add below. So you'll be going to add this. Will be basically will happen. So 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6, and 7. So that's the total right now. So that's for the step 4 for computing the cumulative count. After you have to build the sorted array. So in building a sorted array, that is basically a easy action. Now, what you will need to do, so suppose that you will begin to base in the array. So your array is definitely this one. This is your array that you will begin to base. And then you will also be going to base here then in this particular one. the 0, 2, 2, 2. This will be your basis. Okay, 0 and 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6, 7. And here, that is basis, the basis here, by index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So that will be the basis right there. So let me just go ahead and create a table for that. So it will be basically, since we have how many elements here? So 1 for our array, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there will be 7 only table that array that you will begin to create. And so what will be the thing? 7 plus 0 to how many 0 to 8 plus that will be 9 already for the 0 to 8. Then plus the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 array. Then plus the one place, it will become 17 columns. So let me just create a table instead so that it will be basic for us to identify. Table. So let me, number of columns will be 17. The number of rows, we can definitely put right now 10. Say for example, something like that. So this will be your place. Says, then here will be the index one, no, the count 1, 2, this one here. So we have how many arrays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can put here then 7 as well. 7. Now, afterwards, in this part here, then it will be the same. Let me just put a shading for that so that we could be able to have it basically for the it could be different for us so that it will be easy for you to identify. Now, this will be the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because as been said earlier here, you'll begin to identify that specific thing, you'll be going to decrement the specific value right there. So suppose that, let me just add a specific layout above. So insert above. So say for example, this one here, I'll be going to copy that here then. Suppose that it is just, just to picture out how does it work later. So 3, 5, 6, 6, 7. But this is not included in your thing. So let me just delete this one. Oh, no. It's okay. Just they try to, I will delete if they can delete it. Okay. But it's the same thing man yapon. Okay lang. Balik ko na lang to. So, pabayin na lang na. Now, for this one right here, this is just the title man. So I will just separate it at different color. No. We proceed to the table design. Shading. Cozy. And shading will be different. Okay. Suppose that is our basis right now. Now here, your places for this one, 5, 1, 6, 8, no, 5, 1, then 6, 8, 1, 4, 5. So there you have it. Just shut. Something is going on right there. I don't know what's going on. There is something. Okay. 1 is basically 5 in a 2, 5, 1. What is this? Just don't mind this one yet because that's not the answer. I don't know where that came from. 5, 1, 6 here, then 8, then 1, 4, 5. So this is our goal, actually, just to sort them. So 5, 1, 6, 8, 1, 4, 5. This is our this is the thing that we need to deal with later. So I'll begin to step by step the process. How does it work? For this one, right now, since 5, we'll begin to check 5. So this is our 5 right now. That is definitely you can find no 5 here. We'll check this 5. This is located in where? So that is in this one 5. So 5 is definitely in. You can put that here 5. So what will happen since we'll begin to decrement that one? So 0, 2, 2, 2, then 3, then it will become 4. Since you will be going to decrement that into 1, this 5 here. So it will become 6, 6, and 7. Afterwards, what about 1? What will be 1? So you will begin to check 1. 1 is in 2. So 2, you can put here 1. Then you will be going to decrement this 1 into 1, 2 into 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 4, 6, 6, 7. Then here, then copy as is. Then what about 6? What about 6? Here that is located in 6. So you can just put basically 6 here. Then automatic here, you have to decrement that 1, then copy as is. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, then 6 and 7. And copy, then copy. You will not be going to put any things in those other boxes. For 8, what about 8? That is located in 7. So you can put here 8. Now, just copy as is. 1, then 5, then 6. Basically easy for you actually to manage. Then for the 8 right now, you will begin to decrement that. It will become 6. Copy, no, 6. Then 6, no. Let me just, okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what about for 1? That is in 1 already. So you can put here 1. And copy. Then it will become 5 here. No, that will 5. Then 6, 8. Then for that one, 0. Then it will become decrement 0. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 6. And for 4, what about 4? So 4 is in 3. So you can put 4 here. So you copy as is here. Then 5, sorry. Then 6, and then 8. And afterwards, you have to basically update the 4 right now, since we're able to put 4 earlier, and do 3, it will become 2. So 0, 2, 2, no. 0, no. 0, and 2, 2, then 4, 5, and 6, and 6. And right now, what about 5? Where is 5? That is in 4. So 5 here then. So what will happen? 1, 1, 4, 5, then 6, then 8. So basically, 0, 0, then 5 will become 3. So 2, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 6. So you can just definitely right now, since we're able to make it done, you can definitely the final sort. You can just write the final sort. So the final sort will be here. That is 1, 1, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8. So that's how basic you will need to do with that for the counting sort.